Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Capcut and loading your project. Import the clip or silent background you'll voice over. Once loaded, move the playhead to the exact frame where your line begins so timing is precise. Tap the microphone icon to enter recording mode and select your microphone, built-in or external, for cleaner audio. Speak a test line and watch levels. If input peaks, lower gain or move mic farther away. Now press record and deliver the first take with natural pacing and clear enunciation. Once you have a take, listen back and use the waveform visually to spot breaths, clicks, or timing issues. Split and trim directly on the timeline to isolate good parts. You can record multiple takes and layer or replace them until you find the best performance. Make sure to apply small fade in /out to remove pops, then use normalize or the volume envelope to even out loudness. If needed, add subtle noise reduction or EQ to bring clarity and make speech sit well with music. To finish, confirm edits and export either the isolated audio as WAV/MP3 or the full video as MP4 with your chosen bitrate. Once done, scrub the exported file to check sync and overall quality. If voice drifts, nudge the audio clip frame by frame or toggle snapping for precise alignment. If recordings fail, make sure Capcut has microphone permission, restart the app, and reselect the input device. One key troubleshooting tip: if levels are too low, increase input gain before recording, not just in post.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.